Anakin Skywalker. Next month, he's gonna be Samuel Jackson, the purple one, and I'm gonna be Anakin.
I'm gonna use the same color lightsaber Samuel Jackson uses.
Yeah.
Always bet on black. Remember when Wesley Snipes said that in Passenger 57?
It's sick.
Always bet on black.
And I'm not on my Adderall, so I'm way wired. It's sick for working out. Extra good workout.
Well, don't talk about it. Be about it. What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna kill it.
Jason's gonna say I'm gonna have an extra good workout and he'll like do a bench 135 for 6 and re-rack. Yeah, you laugh.
It's sick.
Come on, put your money where your mouth is. Let's see it.
All right, let's do this. You feel that? Warm up, baby.
Look at the little ringworm using a 45-pound dumbbell. I remember when you used to do that with triple-digit dumbbells, Jason.
Ringworm. Good form, huh?
So, like, are you now Jason's just full-time camera person, pretty much?
Yes, pretty
Everything
much.
of his full-time everything.
Is he just extorting the shit?
That's pretty good.
I have a great idea for a movie.
What?
You know the movie The Expendables?
Yeah.
Well, we're gonna write a screenplay for our own movie called The Extortables, starring you, pal.
Distorted
The
big time.
Extortables,
40-pound tapeworm.
starring Boy George. What do you think about that, Brad? I want to write a screenplay for a movie called The Extortables.
How much has he extorted you for so far?
Honest.
I mean,
Everyone knows.
dinners. Sometimes it's like, oh, why don't you fill up my gas tank?
And you do it?
No, I learned to tell him no. When I first met him, I was like kind of falling for it. But as we became a little closer,
You fucking prick.
I feel alright saying no to him now. Yeah.
Right, you're entitled to it. He's entitled to it.
Untitled.
YouTube celery's entitled to it.
How much is he paying you, Jason? You should be paying him for training. Look how his face changes.
I know.
Oh my God, I can't pay anybody anything.
Show us those pearly yellow teeth.
Brush after you eat.
Yeah.
You don't look like that.
They look like somebody took a shit over them.
Where's the 110? Use the 110.
There's no 110.
Yes, there is.
No, there isn't.
Is 100 the heaviest they go in this gym?
100.
No shit. I didn't even know that. I thought 120.
No.
All right, here you go, Chief. Take him. He's all yours.
What do you think about that? It's discoloring, like tea bags. Warm up. Warm up weight, baby. I eat this for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. This is the main course.
You wash it down with 10 cheeseburgers.
This is the main
You know,
course.
I was in Planet Fitness yesterday, riding the incumbent bike,
Yeah.
just doing some light cardio.
Yeah.
And someone accidentally dropped a 10-pound plate on the floor and the fucking lunk alarm went off.
What?
Just because someone dropped a 10-pound plate by accident.
That's stupid. Okay, Jim. That gym is retarded. I don't even go to that stupid gym.
Chasing. What? You just did 80 for how many?
8.
You're gonna keep up with me. This is 100.
I'm gonna beat you, bimbo. Let's see how many he does. 1, 2. I have to beat that. Whatever he challenges, I have to beat it. I think I'm gonna beat it. I don't know about that. That's pretty heavy. He's trying to challenge my ass.
I'm not trying to, I am. It's called motivation.
How many do you do? How many
11
do-
or 12?
Oh boy.
We'll call it 12. Come on. 12 reps, 100 pounds. Let's go. 1. Don't swing it. Keep going. 6. 3 more. Come on. Now do 13. You gotta beat me. There you go. He just needs a little motivation. That's all. I was just telling Jason, the 100 pounds I just upright rode, I've never done for more than 8 or 9 reps in my life. But because I issued a challenge to him, I got 12.
Yeah.
So it's amazing what a little motivation will do.
Get you far.
Healthy, friendly competition will get you to do more. Why don't you do 110? You want to try 110 with me?
Yeah.
Why don't you do 110 with horrible fucking form?
I'm gonna do good for him.
Wait, you want me to go first?
Go first. Go first. It's a challenge. Go first.
What are you heaps doing over?
Put your shoulders back. Just one. I hope you're okay with that weight.
I hope you're okay with that weight. I got no problems with it. Listen to you. Watch the old man show you up.
I don't think so, buddy.
His shoulder pop out of his fucking self.
He hopes I'm okay with the weight. How dare you?
It's an insult.
You're not even watching.
3 reps. 4 reps. 5. Come on. 6. Get motivated, baby.
5.5.
5.5? Okay.
Get it, monkey prick.
I want 8. 1. 2.
Drop it so fast.
4. Bring it down a little slower. Come on. 2 more. Go again.
Now he's gonna wake up tomorrow and complain about his injuries. You got injuries, bro.
It hurts, baby.
That's called being sore. You're supposed to be sore. You should be sore all the fucking time.
If you're not sore, it's a pussy workout.
Should you? Should you be sore after every workout? I don't think so.
No.
Why not?
After every workout, you think? I guess.
Is there any cum stains on it?
No, it's clean.
Oh, there we are. That's right. You still can't tell.
I told Jason for this video I have a great idea, a concept for a movie. Instead of the Expendables, we're going to call it the Extortables. And it's at a star everyone Jason has ever extorted.
Shit. It's gonna be a long ass scene.
So
He does everything so fucking fast. Why don't you try controlling the weight? What the fuck is that?
that's 4 reps.
I'm going back in a minute. I gotta take a break.
Wonders why he never.
Here we go again.
12, 11, 10, 9, 8, all the way back. 7, there you go. 6, keep your chest on that pad. 5, keep your chest on the pad.
We don't care about form. We're free.
6. Am I wasting my time?
Try slamming the shit around too. That's why things get broken, man.
It's sick. It's
Control the
piss.
shit. So.
Bad form.
Nice. Nice. How many warm-up sets do you need to do? Aren't you already warmed up?
I'm plenty warm, but I like to warm up with my shoulders because I have injuries around there.
You don't have shit, you lying fuck.
He's saying we have injuries, but look what it says on his shirt. We don't care about injuries, but I have injuries, so I need to warm up. I should fart in your face.
You'd enjoy that. It'll go good with the shit sandwich you ate this morning.
We don't care about injuries, we're freaks. I have to warm up. I've got some injuries.
The whole steps.
Let it down slow.
Why are you wait a minute? Dude, what are you doing? Wait a minute. Take some slow, deep breaths. I mean, this isn't an aerobic workout you're trying to do. You're trying to build muscle, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so wait a minute. Take some slow, deep breaths, get some oxygen into you, and then boom, hit it. So go 10. Let's go.
No, it's pointless.
Good. Now you gotta do 10, asshole. 9, 8. Come on.
Even his fucking ears are shaking.
7, 6, 5. Come on. 4. Halfway there. 3. 2. Come on. Bring it down. All right. Almost.
Nimrod, you should have thrown the stack.
Nimrod.